dog sit before back in? I'm not sure. No.
Shit, you can't do
Max
that.
wasn't very gone very long, so I got him here by Max. Nice cover.
What you doing there? Don't shoot him. Don't shoot him. Okay, we're going on the other side. Alright guys, I can't find the other guy, so I'm just gonna videotape camera right now. Maybe you can see him, I don't know. Okay, I got him. This is inside the woods. So far, I can't find Dallas at all. He's somewhere in this woods, but I can't find him. So basically, the other team's kind of flanking left and right. I don't know, either this is going to be kind of sketchy what's going to happen next. We just found him. Here he is.